If you're heading to EPCOT and wondering whether Test Track is worth the hype or worth your lightning lane, you're not alone. Before you commit to that high-end lap around the track, here's exactly what you need to know to ride it right and avoid the longest waits of the day. Hi Disney friends, it's Joni from Mom and Me and Disney, and today we are going to learn all about the new Test Track ride available at EPCOT, including some pro tips for minimizing wait times, who will want to prioritize this ride, and when you may need to find something else to do. But before we get into all of that, please take 2 seconds and go hit the subscribe button on our channel so that you get to see all our Disney World fun and planning tips. Test Track is EPCOT's iconic high-speed thrill attraction where guests embark on a futuristic vehicle testing experience presented by General Motors, blending innovation, technology, and excitement in a single ride. After closing for an extensive reimagining in 2024, the attraction opened again on July 22, 2025, with a refreshed queue that celebrates the past, present, and future of mobility, and new show scenes highlighting advanced vehicle technology before riders launch into the classic 65-mile-per-hour outdoor test loop, still the fastest ride in Walt Disney World. Unlike previous versions, the updated Test Track moves away from the traditional design-your-own-car experience and instead focuses on immersive scenes, sleek new ride vehicles, an updated musical score, and futuristic storytelling that gives you a look at how transportation technology is evolving while still delivering that signature high-speed thrill. Test Track lives in the World Discovery area of EPCOT, right next to Mission Space and across from the Imagination Pavilion. It's super easy to find when you enter the park. Just head towards the center of EPCOT and you'll see the sleek, angular Test Track building near the large fountain area, if you are entering from the front of the park. Test Track first burst onto the scene in March 1999 as a replacement for EPCOT's original World of Motion attraction, bringing a faster, more thrilling take on transportation testing that was unlike anything else in Walt Disney World at the time. The ride lets guests act like real automotive testers. In 2012, the attraction received its first major overhaul, introducing a digital twist where riders could design their own vehicles and then see how they performed throughout the tests. This version, commonly referred to as Test Track 2.0, blended technology with ride excitement for over a decade. In June 2024, Test Track closed again for another extensive reimagining, and after more than a year of work, it reopened on July 22, 2025, as a fully refreshed experience presented by General Motors. The newest incarnation celebrates the past, present, and future of mobility, with redesigned queue exhibits, updated scenes, a new musical score, futuristic storytelling elements, and a continued focus on innovation, all still leading up to that iconic 65-mile-per-hour outdoor finale that riders know and love. Because this is a popular EPCOT headliner, you'll see lines stacked up by mid-morning through early afternoon. The best times to ride are right at park opening or rope drop, or to wait until later in the evening closer to park closing times. If you're willing to walk straight there first thing in the morning, you'll often breeze on with minimal waits. Yes, Test Track is available as part of the Lightning Lane Multipass access. It's one of the attractions planners tend to reserve early because it fills up fast. If maximizing ride count is your goal, snagging a Lightning Lane for Test Track can be worth it, especially later in the day when standby waits spike. Other options to minimize ride wait times, if you're not planning to get Lightning Lane Multipass, is to rope drop Test Track. Just know that it frequently has a delayed start time, so keep that in mind if you need to go to a secondary ride, such as Guardians or Frozen. Another option can be the single rider line. If you have a party that is willing or able to split up, this can be a much shorter wait option during your day. Because Test Track is an outdoor speedway in parts, it can close due to weather, especially during Florida thunderstorms or high winds. It's not uncommon for the attraction to go down temporarily during heavy rain. So if you know or believe that rain may be on the horizon, sneak this ride in and plan a backup option you can pivot to if Test Track is temporarily unavailable. Thrill seekers and classic EPCOT fans alike will enjoy this ride. If you love fast rides, interactive elements, and the satisfaction of going on a high-speed chase, this test track will deliver. It's also a great choice for families with older kids and teens who want something a little more exciting than the typical EPCOT ride. If you're traveling with very young kids, or if high speeds and sudden turns aren't your thing, you might not need to ride Test Track to have a great EPCOT day. Also, if you prefer more immersive or thematic attractions over thrill rides, this one might fall lower on your priority list, especially if the standby waits are long. Test Track is one of those EPCOT rides that continues to deliver fun with purpose. It's fast, interactive, easy to explain for first-timers, and still one of the best mechanical thrills at Walt Disney World. Whether you ride at Rope Drop with Lightning Lane Multipass or later in the evening, it's a strategic pick to build into your EPCOT touring plan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button to give it a like. And now, sit back and enjoy the full ride-through of the Test Track 3.0.
Belt securely fastened, and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please, supervise children. Thank you.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad bien abrochado y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Welcome, riders. I'll be your guide on today's journey.
I am your test vehicle.
What are you doing?
Sounding futuristic.
Just be yourself. We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Hang on!
Woo, nicely done.
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle model.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I could get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Road might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Let's go!
my back.
Our test drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore the latest innovations from General Motors. Not to shift gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road. You see what I did there?
I think you should just leave the jokes to me.
Maybe you're right. Thanks for joining us. See you in the future.